In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. So stick till the end and let's get this video started. Now, in order to upload 10-minute videos, there's nothing that you need to do. You can straight upload it as you normally upload any kinds of videos. This upload feature has been allowed to every user right now, and you do not need to have a certain followers in order to use this feature. You can simply tap on the plus button on the bottom. Now, the one thing that you need to know is that you cannot record a 10-minute video within the platform of TikTok, but however you can upload 10-minute videos from your phone. So tap on upload on the bottom right and then just pick a video. Now, I do not have a 10-minute video right now, but if you have, you can simply tap on the video and then tap on next. Now, once you do that, it could take a couple of seconds to load because it is a longer video, and after a few seconds you should have a fully loaded 10-minute video on your TikTok, and now you can simply post it to your profiles. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.